Paano ba pumili ng magandang dividend-paying stock? Most people, when it comes to dividend investing, ang unang tinitingnan nila ay returns. Kung nagbibigay ito ng 8%, 10%, or 12%, boom! Magandang stock na yon. Well, actually, hindi. Dapat mo muna i-check ang mga ito. Number 1, fundamentals. Kamusta yung income ng company? Positive ba at increasing yung income nila? Kamusta naman yung mga utang nila? And next, ano yung payout ratio nila? Are they giving more dividends than they are earning? So, yun yung fundamentals. I-check mo na yung income or health ng company. Next na titignan natin is yung dividend growth. Increasing ba ang dividends na binibigay nila every year? O baka inconsistent? Yung problem kasi nito is baka bigla silang mag-cut ng kanilang dividends. And lastly, dun mo na titingnan yung dividend rate. Para sa akin, anything that's above 4%, magandang dividend rate na yon. Tapos if nagbibigay sila ng quarterly, maganda din for cash flow purposes. So ikaw, paano ka namimili ng dividend paying stock? Let me know in the comment section down below.